In this video, we discuss the problem on goodwill under the sliding scale valuation of a super profit. How to calculate the goodwill on a sliding scale valuation of a super profit. Okay, now please subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video to your friend circle. Give the like to this video and type any suggestion, comment, opinion in comment box given below this video. Okay, now you see the problem. Calculate goodwill by purchasing 3 years super profit from the following information. Calculate goodwill by purchasing 3 years super profit from the following information. Okay, year profit. Year 2017 profit 15,000. Year 2018 profit 4,000. Year 2019 profit 7,000. Year 2020 profit 4,000. Okay, what are the adjustments? First one, capital employed in the business is rupees 1,25,000. Normal rate of return expected is 3%. Dividing the super profit into 3 divisions and multiplying each of them by 3, 2 and 1 respectively under sliding scale valuation method. Okay, now we see that in this problem we asked to calculate the goodwill under super profit method and also in sliding scale valuation method. The average profit is equal to, what is the formula? Total profit divided by number of years. Total profit divided by number of years. First year profit 15,000, second year profit 4,000, third year profit 7,000, fourth year profit 4,000 divided by number of years given information for 4 years. That's why I have taken 4 years as a denominator. 15,000 first year, second year profit 4,000, third year profit 7,000, fourth year profit 4,000 divided by 4 years as a denominator. Means the profits for the years, profits for 4 years are given in this problem. That's how taken as 4 years. Okay, now the total profit for 4 years rupees 30,000 divided by 4 years. Rupees 30,000 divided by 4 years. What is the average profit? Rupees 7,500. What is the average profit? 7,500. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100 is equal to 1,25,000 into 3 divided by 100. 1,25,000 is the capital employed in the business is given in the problem. 1,25,000 capital employed in the business is rupees 1,25,000. Next one, the normal rate of return expected which is given in the problem at 3%. 3% means 3 divided by 100. Okay, now see what is the normal profit? Rupees 3,750. This is the normal profit. 3,750 means 1,25,000 into 3 divided by 100, 3,750. Okay, super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Average profit minus normal profit. Okay, now how to calculate super profit? average profit, just have calculated in the first step. What is the answer? Average profit is equal to 7,500 minus normal profit, just also calculated here. Normal profit 3,750. Average profit 7,500. Normal profit 3,750. What is the super profit? 3,750. Goodwill is equal to, what is the formula under super profit method? Super profit into number of years purchased. Super profit into number of years purchased. Okay, now how to solve this one? Super profit, just have calculated 3,750. Super profit 3,750 into number of years purchase. Given in the problem 3 years purchase. In first para of this problem has given 3 years purchase of super profit. That's how taken as 3,750 into 3. What is the answer? 11,250. This is a goodwill under super profit method. This is a goodwill under super profit method. Okay, what is the goodwill under super profit? 11,250. Now, sliding scale of valuation of method means how to calculate the goodwill under sliding scale valuation method. Okay, now first you have to make first step. First you have to follow the first step. What is that? Division of profit. Division of profit is equal to super profit divided by divisions. What is the formula? Super profit divided by divisions. Okay, what is the super profit? Just have calculated how much rupees? 3,750. What is the super profit? 3,750. And also given what is that super profit into 3 divisions. Given in the problem, dividing the super profit into 3 divisions. Clearly mentioned in this problem 3 divisions. That's have taken as 3. Means division of a profit is equal to 3,750 divided by 3. What is the division of profit? 1,250. What is the division of profit? 1,250. Now, calculation of goodwill under sliding scale valuation method. Okay, now first I have to write the year, second column profit, third column divisions, fourth column products. Year 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 4 years given. Sorry, 3 years. 3 divisions already mentioned in this problem. Means dividing the super profit into 3 divisions and multiplying each of them by 3, 2 and 1. That's how taken as a 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, profit means the division of profit how much rupees? 1,250 and division of profit how much rupees? 1,250 and also divisions are given in this problem. Okay, what are the divisions? 3 means stated in the problem clearly. First year 3, second year 2, third year 1. If there are 4 divisions, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this problem, divisions are given as 3, 2 and 1. First year 3. Now multiply this one, 1,250 into 3 divisions. What is the product? 3,750. Now come to second year. What is the division of profit? 1,250. What is the second year division? 2. 1,250 into 2. What is the answer? Rupees 2,500. Third year division of a profit also same. for all years the division of profit is the same. That's how to take the same the division of profit for all years. Okay, what is the division? Last year 1 means 1250 into 1. What is the answer? 1250. That's why the goodwill is equal to means product. You have to add all three products. 3750 plus 2500 plus 1250. 3750 plus 2500 plus 1250. What is the goodwill? 7500. Okay, this is the goodwill under sliding scale valuation. This is goodwill under sliding scale valuation. Okay, now come to second problem. Calculate goodwill by purchasing 3 years super profit from the following information. Calculate goodwill by purchasing 3 years super profit from the following information. Okay, now year profit. Year 2017 profit 15,000. Year 2018 profit 14,000. Year 2019 profit 17,000. Year 2020 profit rupees 18,000. Okay, what is the first adjustment? Capital employed in the business is rupees 1 lakh. Capital employed in the business is rupees 1 lakh. Normal rate return expected in business is 10%. Normal rate of return expected in the business is 10%. Third adjustment, dividing the super profit into 4 divisions. In the previous problem, he stated 3 divisions. In this problem, he stated 4 divisions. That's why dividing the super profit into 4 divisions and multiplying each of them by 4, 3, 2 and 1 respectively under sliding scale valuation method. Dividing the super profit into 4 divisions and multiplying each of them by 4, 3, 2 and 1 respectively under sliding scale valuation method. Okay, now we start to solve the problem. First one, average profit is equal to, what is the formula? Total profit divided by number of years. Okay, now calculate this one. First year profit 15,000, second year profit 14,000, third year profit 17,000, fourth year profit 18,000. First year profit 15,000, second year profit 14,000, third year profit 17,000, fourth year profit 18,000. Divided by 4 years. Why we have taken this 4 years means the profit have given for 4 years. That's why I have taken as 4 years as denominator. Okay. The total profit for 4 years rupees 64,000. The total profit for 4 years rupees 64,000 divided by 4 years. 64,000 divided by 4 years. What is the answer? 1,16,000. 1,16,000. Okay, now normal profit is equal to, what is the formula? Capital employed into normal rate of return divided by X divided by 100. Now normal profit is equal to, what is the formula? Capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Okay, now solve this formula. First one, capital employed in the business is rupees 1 lakh given in the problem clearly. Capital employed in the business is rupees 1 lakh into normal rate of return means what is the normal rate of return in this problem is 10%. 1 lakh into 10 divided by 100. What is the answer? What is the normal profit? Rupees 10,000. 1 lakh into 10 divided by 100 is equal to rupees 10,000 is a normal profit. Okay, now super profit, you have to calculate super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit average profit minus normal profit. Average profit minus normal profit rupees 16, average profit just have calculated. What is the average profit? Rupees 16,000 minus normal profit, just have calculated this one also. How much? Rupees 10,000. Average profit is 16,000 minus 10,000 is the normal profit. 16,000 minus 10,000. What is the super profit? Rupees 6,000. Super profit is equal to 6,000. Okay, now goodwill is equal to, under super profit method, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase. Super profit into number of years purchase. Okay, now solve this one. Super profit just have calculated here 6,000. Super profit 6,000 into number of years purchase. How much? 3 years. Means already given in this problem 3 years purchase of super profit. Already given in the problem 3 years. Okay, now 6,000 into 3. What is the answer? Super goodwill rupees 18,000. The goodwill under super profit method. What is the goodwill amount? Rupees 18,000. Okay, now sliding scale of valuation method. Okay, how to calculate the goodwill under sliding scale? Okay, first I have to calculate division of profit. First I have to calculate division of profit. What is the formula? Super profit divided by divisions. Super profit is equal to division profit is equal to super profit divided by divisions. Okay, division of profit is equal to, what is the super profit calculated in this problem? How much? Rupees 6,000. Super profit rupees 6,000 divided by divisions. Clearly given in this problem divisions, 4 divisions. If there are 3 divisions, you have to take as 3 divisions. If there is a 4 division, you have to take as 4 divisions. Okay. Now division of profit is equal to rupees 6,000 divided by 4. What is the answer? Rupees 1,500. 6,000 divided by 4. What is the division of profit? Rupees 1,500. Okay. Calculation of goodwill under sliding scale valuation method. First column year, second column profit, third column divisions, fourth column products. First column year, second column profit, third column divisions, fourth column products. Okay, now write as all years. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because in this problem 4 years given profit. Means division of profit. You have to take it. First profit means you have to take the division of profit. You should to take the same for all years. 1,500, 1,500, 1,500 and 1,500. Okay, first division of profit 1,500. Already given in the problem divisions 4, 3, 2 and 1. Divisions 4, 3, 2, 1. First year 4, second year 3, third year 2, fourth year 1. Okay, division of profit 1,500. Divisions 4, 1,500 into 4. Okay, given in the problem, what is the product? Rupees 6,000. Second year, the same division of profit is taken for all years. The same division of profit is taken for same for all years. Rupees 1,500 into 3, division 3. 1,500 into 3, what is the answer? 4,500. Next one, 1500 into division 2. 1500 into 2, what is the answer? 3000. Next one, fourth year, division of profit is also same. 1500, what is the division for the last year? 1. 1. Okay, 1500 into 1, what is the answer? Product. What is the product? Rupees 1500. Okay, now how to calculate the goodwill? Means you have to add all year's product. 6000 plus 4500 plus 3000 plus 1500. 6000 plus 4500 plus 3000 plus 1500. What is the answer? Rupees 15,000. This is a goodwill under sliding scale of valuation of super profit. Okay, goodwill is equal to rupees 15,000 under the sliding scale valuation. Thank you watching for this video.